Hello guys, welcome back on our channel Technology Transforming, and today's our session will be again MS Excel part 7, which is pivot table. But before starting, if you are new here in our channel, please like our channel, subscribe our channel, and if you like our videos, please share with your family, your friends. And thank you very much for your support, your love. You guys are really liking our videos. If you guys have any suggestion, any topic you want to know, there are some comments from some guys they want to show. Surely we'll, after Excel, we'll make that videos. But right now we are in Excel series, and if you are new in our channel, please just this is our channel. You just go to our video session section, and video section you see, we started lot of many things like basics of about computers, and our things are both are English and Hindi. And then how you can increase your computer performance, there are some commands, and you can see those commands. Apart from that, MS Paint, 3D Paint, MS Word full series including Hindi and English. Then we started right now MS Excel series. MS Excel we already did 6, Hindi already done 7, and this is English 7. And apart from that, you can go to our playlist. The playlist, there are many playlists, we already make it. If you have 30 minutes, we have give 30 minutes playlist, 40 minutes, 1 hour, and many more. About many things we already make it for your learning. So we'll start today, and if you really like, if you're new here, just like subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so you will get all the notifications once our new video is released. Okay, so today we have ready data available, as we don't want to waste our time, and we know the time, how it is important to everybody. What we did, we just make some data on Indian airline flights, and we want to know their revenue, how much revenue, which sector, which area, and where it is. So these are many things where we are just doing this, all these things. And I don't know, it's many. I think we have made 126 rows of this data, and I think this is enough to understand on the pivot table. So basically pivot table is how it is. It's basically I would say pivot table, you just go to insert, and here is the pivot table. So basically pivot table will give you all the data. How it will be, like, it will give you, once we'll do, then maybe better how important, but it's very important feature. It is basically MIS, we can say management information system. If somebody is working on the Excel, they know the what is the MIS. But MIS basically, I would say it is just for data filter, data reports. If you are working with some company, your senior want to see the reports, they don't want to see your data, they just want to see the figures. Okay, so you just go to pivot table. Once you click this, it will show you select the table range. It's already selected, it will select by default. Then it is saying here existing work or new, so we'll go with the new workbook, and then we'll say okay. Once you do this, the data will be separate sheet. This is the separate sheet, so the sheet will become like this, and the pivot table will all the area will show here. But here is the pivot table fields. So basically this you can change, these settings you can change as per this. See these horizontal and vertical, you can change different segments. You can do whatever you want, whatever you like it. Okay, so I'm doing with this way, so you will see all the things here. And if you see, these fields are where it is, it's in our data. These fields, it's already taken, this already is taken to here, right? So this and this, if you click anywhere apart from this pivot table, then your this pivot table all the fields will hide. So once you click again, it will come by default in the pivot table things. Okay, so now we want to know that now the data, how it will be, and you can put your data in row, column, or whatever it is. So we'll put name of flight. So name of flight we are putting in row. So this is by default only this 5 or 6 number, this is already there. Maybe you can change this into the column. Once you drag into column, it will like this, so you can play with this. Okay, so right now I'm putting here, and then maybe you want total price, what revenue we got from individual flights. So it is already there, full revenue history, it's already here. Okay, I will increase the font so you will come to know. Okay, so this is total. This thing we can change this value field setting. Right now we earlier we count average, maximum, minimum, and we did it. Right now we just count how much it is total. So total count is 22. If in this sheet we'll count Air India, where the Air India, it will count as 22 numbers. Okay, so this is giving us counting for all the flights, how it is, and it is total 126 count. Okay, then we have we can change to this value again to average. So if average figure will also come to us, so average all the flights revenue will be like 700k, yeah, 700,000. So 748 lakh, 7,48,269 point something. Average will be what for we already talk about average. So if you did not see our video, you can go to description box and you can see how the average is calculated and whatever. Then we can again calculate here minimum, maximum. Maximum is what maximum revenue we got it this is what, this is Go Air. So Go Air has give us the maximum revenue. We can change to this into some other minimum. So minimum we got from where, 286 Vitara. So this we did with the basic filter. This is basically filter. It's called filter, and it's, you can select all, and if you want to only Air India, it's Air India will be. Okay, this you seeing maybe this is one. Okay, but the filter once will use into different aspects, you will know, oh, filter is very important. Okay, now we'll go with to some okay, month and year. So we'll put month and year into column. Okay, so we put month and year into column. It is showing year, quarter, monthly. And if you see, once we click this, oh, this is saying quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and this is the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 4. Quarter basically in our financial term, there are 4 quarter in every year, and first quarter is started in Indian financial year from April to June. So April, May, June is the first quarter, then July, August, September is the second quarter, and it's go on, and the fourth quarter will be January, February, March. So first quarter, it is showing here 2018 first quarter, what is the sale. Then if you click on the quarter, it will give you month. Okay, then it will give you another month. This will give you another month. So that sheet will be, reports will be looks like. Okay, I hope so you are understanding this. So we'll talk about only quarter, because otherwise it will big sheets. And year, so year 2018 and 19. So if you want to see just 2018 individual, you can see here some. 2019 individual, you can have a sum. If you want only some one particular flight, you want to Go Air, so you can see just Go Air, select Go Air, and all the data in front of you. So it's basically, you can say this is the machine work, automation work, and whatever it is, you can say it. Okay, so in this way you can you don't want month, you just click here and remove this field. So month will be not appear, only quarter is appearing. If you don't want quarter, you just remove this field, only year will be appear. So 18 will be this, 19 will be this, and grand total will be this much. Okay, and same way this thing Go Air. And if you want all, again you can select all, you can set. Okay, now you want to see, you don't want to see any year, you want to see maybe trip of the month. So trip of the month, you can see the the sum of the trip total, how much, every month you want to individual months, so you can say against this month and year, so you can get 2018 Air India how much, then it's 2018 quarter 1 how much trip, then quarter 1 month wise it will show you January and March 80 and 40, quarter 2 how much. So you can play with lot of reports if you want. Okay, I will just first this trip, this I don't want quarter and year, and I will just make it first this as borders. So if you're giving report, you can select all, you can just select all, it will give you all full reports whatever it is, but it will give you form of the report. You see everything is ready. Okay, once you click every individual aspects, it will open by default all the things, and you can just now select something else. And if you want maybe you want only okay, you want only from where, so these are your from Ahmedabad, Bombay, Chennai and Delhi, which is like where it's from originate to again if you want only to, and if you want to just a minute. Okay, if you want only from, and you want total price. Okay, so it is saying Ahmedabad is generating how much, Bombay is generating how much. So sector wise also you can calculate, you can calculate sector wise, you can calculate anything, any report you want number of passenger wise. So passenger wise it will give you, oh, Ahmedabad is this much passenger, Bombay is this much, Delhi is the highest, Chennai is this much. So this you can change, and the instead of this from value is here. Okay, columns value, and basically here, so you can use whatever you want. You can, if you want, you can change passenger to columns, so it will show you passenger into the columns. Okay, so whatever you have to just trip with the month, you can just select here how much trip you already did. So based on whatever it's your requirement, name of flights surely you want, and which sector is basically from. So from, if we do from, see the from, it will show you Air India Delhi, then this one and Bombay. So whatever you would give the whatever you want the data, means earlier we are using lot of formulas, lot of sums, lot of things, but now it is going our all the things in one sheet. That this is the power of pivot table. It's very important features. It's very important to all the MIS data or whatever data. If you have existing data, and if you want the big reports or what, because I know top management guys, they don't have time to see all those your data. They will not see these data, for them is nothing. This data is nothing, they want in report, so they want to just see figures. So how you figure will come? Because of this pivot table. So basically this is automated. And if we talk about what is the automation, automation is basically what machine is working for us. We have to instruct the machine, and machine will give us the output. So same way if I talk about Japan, what Japan is did, they have only one person in the factory, and all the robot is work in all the auto sectors. So there are a lot of videos available in YouTube about those robots. So you can also search those videos and just see, if we use the technology in the right way, it will always give us the beneficiary, and many more things. Okay, apart from that, this pivot table we already covered today. Now next session we'll cover all these chart, how these chart will fitted into here pivot table. Their pivot chart will be there. We'll discuss about pivot chart. We'll discuss about this analyzer. Basically analyzer is your part of pivot table, and is insert slicer we'll discuss about. So surely otherwise this video is very long. So maybe maximum people don't want to see the large videos, means long videos. So that's why we are making these Excel thing is in part. But whenever you have time, like we have to make 7 parts, and whenever you have to time, you just see one part. So based on that you can do it. Yes. And once you okay, something I missed out, maybe you, if you want to remove this thing, you just click here and remove it. If you want to this, you just remove it. Okay, you want to remove it. So you can make is this again, this thing is there appear here, so you can make again name of light and more many more things. I already show how the value will be there. I already show yearly, quarterly, it is showing there. Month and year, trip of the month, you can see trip of the month. Air India is making how much trip, Indigo is making how much trip, Air India Express is making how much trip, Vitara. So total will be this much for 2 years, and the data will be, this is the small data, the data will be in the thousand cell. So you can sort very easily, this data you can make very easily. And I hope you learn these all those things and you will use in your daily life. If you like our videos, please, again, I would request you just like it and share with your family and friends who want to just see our videos. Okay. And we'll meet on our next session. Thank you very much for your time, and see you in the next session.